Hey, what's up, y'all, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with FoodPRO. Today we are going to be making a pot roast sandwich with melted Havarti cheese, some pickled onions, and arugula. We're going to serve that on a sourdough bread. The star of this month's episode is FoodPRO item number 91261, which is a fully cooked choice beef pot roast from Tyson Foods. Let's get started. And what I've done here is I've taken the pot roast and I've cut it into about 1-inch cubes here. Of course, that could be done prior to service. And I've prepared a demi glace. Toss that to coat. If it breaks up, that's good. It means it's tender, right? Start with that being hot. Doesn't take too long to heat up. Like I said, it is fully cooked. And now, delicious. I'll just turn the heat on low on there and just let that keep heating up. And then essentially what we're going to do is make a grilled cheese sandwich. So I got my sourdough bread, some whole butter. I use 2 pieces of Havarti on the bottom of this. So there's 4 ounces of the pot roast. One piece of cheese on top. These are some sweet pickled red onions that I've created. Give a sweet element to it, as well as aromatic. Some fresh baby arugula. It's a nice peppery green. And another piece of bread. Put some heat on it. And the lid's going to help to melt all that cheese and make sure that it gets nice and gooey. Should be golden brown on this side here. Go ahead and flip her over. Alright, should be golden on the other side now, and we're ready to plate. Alright, to plate this thing, we'll serve it with French fries. I got a little arugula left over. And these pickled onions look cute. So, there's that. Go ahead and cut it on a diagonal. Now this is a sandwich you might want to serve with a fork and a knife. It's a little sloppy. We'll put one there. Let's do one here. And there you have it, folks. Pot roast sandwich, pickled onions, arugula, Havarti cheese. Thanks for cooking with FoodPRO.